Chapter 3 Knowing Windows 10 Chapter Ethics Operating System Features of Windows 10 Windows Taskbar Selecting and deselecting icons Selecting adjacent and non-adjacent items Opening a program Arranging and sorting the desktop icons Changing the desktop background and screensaver, mouse pointer shapes, shut down your computer. A computer understands binary language which contains 0 and 1 only. It is not a language that we understand, so an operating system helps us to communicate with the computer. Operating system. An operating system is a program that runs all the time on the computer. It is a type of system software. It interacts with us, takes input from us, and shows output on the screen. It controls the hard disk, applications, mouse, printer, keyboard, etc. A computer is useless without an operating system. Windows is an operating system. Without it, we cannot even start a computer and work on it. Now again, tell me children, when we use the word window, which image comes to our mind? Windows 10. Icons, desktop, taskbar, clock. Yes, it is the glass window through which we can peep outside and have various views. Likewise, in computers, Windows is a rectangular frame that shows different programs on the screen. Features of Windows 10. Features of Windows 10 as follows. It is very attractive and easy to use. Everything is arranged under different tiles. We can search files and folders very quickly. When two or more programs can run together on a system, it is referred to as multitasking. Windows 10 allows multitasking. For example, while typing a letter or painting, you can also listen to music. It has a taskbar that shows the applications that are running. You can open multiple desktops at the same time with the help of the Task View button to the right of the search box on the taskbar. When we switch on our computer, Windows starts automatically. The first screen that appears with labeled pictures on it is called Desktop. Advance your knowledge. Windows 11 is the latest operating system released on 5th October 2021. Advance your knowledge. William Bill H. Gates. He is the founder of Microsoft Corporation, the world's leading software company. Icons. The small label pictures or symbols present on the desktop are called icons. These icons are used to open specific programs or documents. Windows Taskbar. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. It is divided into the following sections. Windows 10. The All Apps option has been omitted in the Windows 10 Anniversary Edition. Now you can look for various applications directly by clicking the Start button. The Start button. The Start button is present at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. When you click on the Start button, the list of options appears. This list is called Start menu. You can use Start button to perform common tasks such as starting a program, searching files and folders, shutting down the computer, and much more. You can find File Explorer, settings and a list of the most used apps on the left side of the Start menu. To see all your apps and programs, select All Apps. Middle section. The middle section of the bar shows the Open Program as buttons. Here you can add commonly used programs such as Internet Explorer, Word Program, Windows Media Player, etc. They can be opened with a single click. When a program is active, its icon is highlighted in a lighter shade with a bar below it. Shortkeys. You can also activate Task View by pressing the Windows logo key plus Tab key on your keyboard. Notification area. The right side of the taskbar is known as Notification area, which includes a clock and a group of icons that tell the status and notifications about the programs running on a computer. For example, software updates, network connectivity, battery, volume, etc. Shortkeys. Press Windows logo plus D key combination to minimize all the open windows. The peek button is present on the extreme right of the taskbar. Click this button to minimize all the opened up program windows and view the desktop. Start button, Task View button, Taskbar, Peek button, Notification area. Moving the taskbar. The taskbar can be moved to any of the four sides of the desktop. To move the taskbar, take the following steps. Place the pointer on the blank area on the taskbar. Press and hold the left mouse button and drag the taskbar to any side of the desktop. Now release the mouse button. Locking the taskbar. You can lock the taskbar. That means it will not move to any place until you unlock it. Right-click on the blank area of the taskbar. Click on the Lock the Taskbar option in the shortcut menu. You will notice that the taskbar will not move from its location. Selecting and deselecting icon. Selecting an icon. To select any icon, simply click on it. It will be highlighted. Deselecting an icon. To deselect the icon, click away from the icon. The icon will now be displayed in its original form. Selecting adjacent and non-adjacent items. Selecting adjacent items. Left-click on the first item to deselect it. Hold down the Shift key and click on the last item to be selected. Release the Shift key. All the adjacent items are selected. Selecting non-adjacent items. Hold down the Control key. Click one by one on each of the items to be selected. This way you can select the non-adjacent item. Opening a program. Click the icon which you want to select and press the Enter key. The application window will open. Or double-click the left mouse button on the icon to open it. Windows 7 Desktop, Windows 8.1 Desktop. Arranging the desktop icons. As you arrange your study desk to make it tidy, similarly, you can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a better look. To do this, right-click on the blank area of the desktop. You will find a list of options. Select the View option. Click the Auto Arrange Icons option from the sub-menu. Observe the changes. Sorting the icons. Sorting the desktop items means arranging them in a proper order. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Point to the Sort By option and click the Size sub-option. The icons will be arranged in increasing order of the file size. Changing the desktop background. You enjoy working with Windows as it is user-friendly. You can change the appearance of the desktop background according to your choice in the following way. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. You will find the list of options. This is called shortcut menu. Select the Personalize option. The personalization windows will appear. By default, the background option is selected and preview of the current background is displayed in the right pane. Click on the drop-down arrow of the background list box and select any option, Picture, Solid Color, Slideshow from the displayed list. Select any picture from the Choose Your Picture section or click on the Browse button to get more options for the pictures from your computer. Select any layout for the background from the Choose a Fit list box. A preview of the selected background will appear in the Preview section. The selected picture will be set as desktop background. Changing the screensaver. The screensaver is an image which pops up on the computer screen whenever a computer is left idle for a certain period of time. By pressing any key or moving the mouse, you can again get back to the normal screen. Follow the given steps to change the screensaver. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. Click the Personalize option from the shortcut menu. The personalization window will appear. Select the Lock Screen option from the left pane. Scroll down the vertical scroll bar. Select Screensaver Settings option from the right pane. The Screensaver Settings dialog box will appear. Click on the drop-down arrow in the Screensaver X section and select any screensaver of your choice. A mini preview of the screensaver will be displayed in the preview box. To watch the preview on full screen, click the Preview tab. You will get the preview on the full screen of the selected screensaver. Move the mouse to get back to the screensaver setting window. Set the time in wait box as per your need. Use the up arrow to increase the time and the down arrow to decrease. Click OK. Advance your knowledge. When our computer is switched on, Windows takes a few seconds to load an operating system. This process of loading the OS is called booting. Note: you can even get to the screensaver settings directly by typing screensaver in the search box placed on the taskbar. Select the Change Screensaver from the displayed options. The screensaver setting dialog box will open. Mouse pointer shapes. The shape of the mouse pointer changes according to the actions we perform. Some of the shapes of a cursor and their functions are given further. Cursor shape, meaning busy. It means that computer is busy and you have to wait till processing completes. Double-headed arrow. It is used to resize the window or picture. Working in the background. It means that the computer is processing while you are working. Cursor shape, meaning normal. This is a normal mouse pointer. It is used for pointing, selecting and dragging the items on the screen. Four-headed arrow. It is used for moving pictures and toolbars. I-beam. It is used for inserting text in a document. Shut down your computer. Shutting down means turning off a computer. To shut down your system, follow the given steps. Click on the Start button. Now click on the Power button. Select the Shutdown option. The system will take a few seconds to shut down. Take a review. Windows is an operating system that controls and manages the functions of a computer. The labeled pictures on the desktop are known as icons. The Start button is used to perform common tasks such as starting a program, searching files and folders, and much more. Notification area is present on the right side of the taskbar. It includes a clock and a group of icons. Double-clicking the left mouse button on the icon opens the selected item. The screensaver is an image which pops up on the screen whenever a computer remains idle for a short time.